The other idea is having empathy. And empathy, what I mean by empathy is really important to understand the difference between empathy and sympathy. And I didn't really know that until I was diagnosed with breast cancer. But when I was diagnosed, one of the relationships with my brother that was so difficult to manage was because he felt sorry for me. He felt sympathy. And so when I was around him or when he would call me, I couldn't wait to get off the phone, and it was a difficult conversation because I knew he felt sorry for me. And what I learned from EI is that the brain science is that he was actually triggering my fight or flight response by feeling sorry for me. But then when I would go to my radiation treatments, which I went for a couple months, I met these amazing women that were, many of them had lost their hair, were going through worse times than I in breast cancer, and we had an empathy, we had an understanding. We could make jokes, we could talk about how their wigs were really hot, how food tasted really tinny when you're going, I mean, we had our own empathy, our own understanding. So we were able to form a bond and connection together. So remember that there's a big difference between sympathy and empathy when you're relating to someone and trying to form a connection or a bond.